What you thinking about, Eric?
How I'm gonna run your fuel lines to make it as neat as possible. And about how much doing the Haltech setup is going to clean up all this fire.
Oh my God.
All of this.
You just wanted to get it on video to say that. I know it. So what kind of pumps we got in this tank?
Twin 535s.
Twin 535s.
The Henson Motorsports.
Henson Motorsports hanger.
And
Twin 535 wall burrs.
and a relay kit from Racetronics.
Racetronics relay hot wire kit.
Comes with everything, pop switch, everything you need to just make it work.
Nice. This is the man, the master, Eric, the builder and tuner, with Austin peeking around back there doing his thing.